Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, today I'm gonna check out the official song from movie Yuvratna, which is an upcoming Kannada movie, and it stars Puneet Rajkumar in the lead role with Saisha Sehgal. And you guys would have known Saisha Sehgal from the movie Shivai, which was an Ajay Devgan Bollywood movie, and she had a small decent role in that movie. And she's quite beautiful and very hot, and she's in this movie with Puneet Rajkumar. And the song name is Ori Goba Raja, and the music of this song is given by one of my favorite musicians from South Indian cinema, Thaman S. I'm very fond of that guy's music. I really like his music. I even recently reacted to the song from movie Tak Jagdish, which he has given music to, Inko Sari Inko Sari, and I really like that song. And it was sung by Shreya Ghoshal. Beautiful, beautiful song. I even reacted to the teaser of that movie. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, I will put the link in the description below. And this came out today on the official channel of Ambale Films, which gave us the teaser of KGF Chapter 2. So guys, Ori Gobba Raja and the king of Kannada industry, the king of dance from Kannada industry, Puneet Rajkumar is in this. So without wasting any time, let's just get to it and then we're gonna talk about it. Power star Puneet Rajkumar. Okay, so he's known by that name too. I thought it was just king of dance. Choreographer Jani. Oh, she is absolutely stunning.
ರಾಜ ಆ ರಾಜಂಗ ಬ್ಲೂ ರಾಣಿ ಆ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ ಮದ್ವೆ ಯಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಲು ಜೇನು
Nice.
ಬೇಗ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ
Wow. Whoa, whoa. Look at those steps and those fluency.
ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಆ ರಾಜಂಗೊಬ್ಳು ರಾಣಿ ಆ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ ಮದ್ವೆ ಯಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಲು ಜೇನು
ಈ ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾರುತ್ತಿವನು ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೆಜ್ಜೆಮು ಹೇ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇನ್ನು
Obviously, there is some inspiration from Michael Jackson. Whoa. She's quite a dancer too, huh? Whoa. Nice. Nicely done, man.
ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಇರೋ ತರ ಸಂಸಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋ ತರ ಈ ಲವ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಮಜಾ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ಮರಿದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ರಜಾ
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸು ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
ಎಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ದೆ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಲ್ಲ
Yeah.
ಹೇ ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಆ ರಾಜಂಗೊಬ್ಳು ರಾಣಿ ಆ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ ಮದ್ವೆ ಯಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಲು ಜೇನು
ಈ ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾರುತ್ತಿವನು ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೆಜ್ಜೆಮು ಹೇ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ
Nice, simple stuff, man.
ಬೇಗ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಛತ್ರ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ
ಕೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹತ್ತಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಕೈಲಿ ಮದ್ವೆ ಬರೋರ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
Yeah. This is gonna be the hook step of this, guys. Wow. So he is an amazing dancer, isn't he? I really didn't know that about him. So I should check out more his songs. Puneet Rajkumar. So guys, this is up to you now. You guys would have to let me know about it. You guys would have to suggest me his songs, his most famous dance songs, dance numbers, because it is definitely there were some steps definitely inspired from Michael Jackson, but I really liked that first step where he performed kind of moonwalk, but in very different way, in a very new way, which I really liked. And I'm not comparing, I'm not saying that he's better than Michael Jackson or he did something good, but this is definitely interesting because it's different, it's new, and I really like that what he did with that moonwalk and sidewalk, and in fact that hook step. So that is really nice, and hats off to the choreographer Johnny here. I really don't know his work, but judging by this song, he did a very amazing job in this. And I really didn't know that Saisha Sehgal was such a good dancer too, because I have only seen her for a small amount of screen time in movie Shivai, and this is really just the second time that I'm seeing her in something. That was the first time when I saw her in Shivai, and this is the second time. And Puneeth Rajkumar, I don't even remember watching his any trailer or any teaser, or even for I didn't see anything from his work, so please do let me know down in the comments below about his previous work, about his most famous work, about his most famous dance numbers, and I would really like to check his more stuff out about his dancing, about his movies, and if there is any teasers and trailers. I think this movie Yuvratna is supposed to come out in this month or maybe in the next month. I'm not sure, I don't remember it correctly, but it is supposed to come out soon. And if there is any teaser or trailer from this movie, then please do let me know down in the comments too about that. I would really like to check that out too. And Ori Koka Raja is a nice song from this movie, Ori Goba Raja, this is the Kannada version, and Ori Koka Raja is I think Telugu version. So Ori Goba Raja, Kannada version. So yeah, this song was quite good, and Thamana's music is always pleasant and always, it never disappoints you. This song is entirely very amazing, very awesome song in terms of dancing, in terms of class, and in terms of even choreography and cinematography. Everything is good about this song, so that is why I'm definitely going to check out more from Puneeth Rajkumar. But you guys would have to let me know about him, and if you really like this reaction, you really like this video, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss another video from the channel. Until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.